Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out in CapCut on mobile. So if you want to zoom in and out, or you want to add an overlay and you want to zoom in and zoom out, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open your CapCut on your phone. Once you open your CapCut, then tap on add new project, or if you have an existing project you can also do that, but I'm just going to add in a project. So once I do that, I'm going to look for a video. So I'm just going to add this to my timeline. You can see. So if you want to add, you want to zoom in and out, just tap on the timeline. Then you add a keyframe. You can add, you can zoom in and out with two methods. So the first thing, you add a keyframe. Then the other one is zoom in using by touching the screen. So right there, just place your hand, place your two hands on the screen. You can see. Then try and zoom in using your hand. You can see, zoom in and zoom out. So you can also use the keyframe. Use the keyframe 1, then place your cursor, then add the keyframe 2. So in between the keyframe, then try and zoom in and out like that. You can also zoom out. You can also zoom in, you can also zoom out. Then you can also use the zooming method on the screen just to zoom in and zoom out. And that is how to zoom in and out in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and follow.